Stop what you're doing right now. One of the biggest open world RPGs of the last few years, Hogwarts Legacy, is currently 100% free on Epic Game Stores. This isn't a free trial and it's not a demo. If you claim this game, it is yours to keep it in your library forever, saving you about $60. In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to claim it permanently, and more importantly, since this is TechMesh, we are going to look at the official PC system requirements to make sure your computer can actually handle this game without lagging or crashing. Let's get started. So first, let's secure the license. You don't need to download the full 85 GB right now. You just need to claim it. So you can just open the Epic Game launchers or just go to the Epic Games website. So here you can see that I am in the Epic Games website. I will also put the link in the description for your convenience. So after coming to this link, you will see the price listed as 0 or free. So now what you need to do is just click the blue get button. It will take you to the checkout screen. Don't worry, it will charge you $0. So first let me just sign in. So here it is saying loading your order. So here you can see the total is $0. So here click here to agree to share your email. So just let's click on here, and then here just click on place order. It is saying processing, please wait. So now here it is saying thank you for your order. So now we can also download the launcher. If you have it already, then you do not need to do it. So let me just download the launcher now. Okay, let's install the Epic Games launcher. So we have installed the launcher. So let's just open our Epic Game launcher now, and let me show you that it is still available in our library. So let me just log into my account quickly. So now in our Epic Games launcher, let's click on library. So here you can see in our library, Hogwarts Legacy is now added. So you can now download or install it anytime you wish. Now this is yours forever. So this offer expires on December 18 at 11 a.m. Eastern time. Once you claim it, it stays in your library forever. So even if you don't have a gaming PC yet, claim it now via a web browser just in case. So now let's click on install. So now let's talk about the big question, can your PC run it? Hogwarts Legacy is a heavy next-gen title. Let's break down the specs you need. So let me just show you. So for minimum settings, you are going to need at least an Intel Core i5 8th gen or AMD Ryzen 5 2600, and the minimum here you can see the memory requirement is 16 GB and storage is needed around 85 GB on your SSD. So for the minimum graphics you need NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 or AMD RX Vega 56. So obviously the SSD is preferred and also the hard disk is supported. Also for like the recommended settings, obviously the recommended settings is here you can see Core i7 8th gen or AMD Ryzen 5 3600, and the memory is 16 GB and storage is same DirectX 12, and for the graphics card the recommended is 1080 Ti or AMD RX 5700 XT. So if you meet these specs but still face lag, here are two quick tips. Update your graphics card driver to the latest December 2025 version. Both NVIDIA and AMD usually release optimization for major free givers like this. And the second one is, since this game eats RAM, make sure you close Chrome and other background apps before launching. And if you run into specific errors like out of video memory or DDL missing while the game is trying to launch, let me know in the comments. If enough people have issues, I will drop a dedicated fix video later this week. So go claim your free copy of Hogwarts Legacy right now before you forget. The link to the store page is in the description below. If this video helped you score a free game, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel, and subscribe to TechMesh for more tech tips, troubleshooting and hardware reviews. I will see you in the next one.